Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can redeem your FC25 closed beta code on PlayStation. So I am on the official website fifaplay.com and here you need to scroll down and here you can see redeem your FC25 closed beta code on PlayStation. So once you are here you can see how to redeem a PlayStation Store voucher code. So this is a process. First you need to go to PlayStation Store and select your profile at the top of the screen. Once you're done, you simply need to select redeem code from the drop down menu. Carefully enter the 12-digit code and select continue. The credit or content is now applied to your account. So this is a process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.